How to set up Kardia Mobile. So if you want to set up Kardia Mobile, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Play Store or your App Store, anything that you're using, and then open or search for Kardia app. Once you've searched, you need to just simply go and install it. After installing the application, you can tap on open, which will be on the right side, and it will open up your Kardia Mobile application. Once done, you need to enter your login information. If you don't have your login information or if you've not logged in, then you can just simply go with sign up and create an account. So enter the username and then the password and enter your server region. After that, tap on login, or you can also go with your browser and then search for Kardia. Once you've searched, you need to tap on kardia.com, which will take you to the official website. And now you just need to simply go with continue, which will be on the bottom. Go with the 3 horizontal lines, which will be in the top left. After that, enter your credentials and just press the login or sign up button, and your Kardia Mobile will be set up. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.